Hello folks, welcome to WagenClub. In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean and restore my Fiat Siena's headlamps. I have these aftermarket made plastic type headlamps in my car for about 10 years now. As you can see, the headlamps have become dull with slight yellowish tone, and there are rough scalp-like formation in the outer glass, which is actually the oxidized clear coat that have started to come off over the time. Lately, in the last few years, the scalps and the scratches are becoming more prominent, which means it warrants frequent cleaning and maintenance. But I'm quite surprised that these aftermarket headlamps have lasted this far, and I hope I can take some credit for my care and maintenance. I don't claim that I do some magical or innovative restoration work here, but I'm just gonna show my way of doing periodic maintenance to my car's headlamps. Simple, easy and practical methods that does show some good results. If there are any better methods, do share it in the comment section. The first thing I usually do is to blow away the dust from the headlamp assembly. You don't necessarily have to remove the assemblies from the car for cleaning. Use a 1000 number fine grit emery sheet or sandpaper to scrap the outer lens slowly. Ensure that you don't leave any large scratch marks. Focus on the rough patches. I then add some diluted liquid soap water to the outer lens to wet the emery sheet. Alternatively, I also use a toothbrush to ward off the particles. Once done, I then wash the soap and dry the headlamps with a cloth. In the next step, I apply a standard toothpaste over the headlamps and rub using a toothbrush. The silica and hydrogen peroxide in the toothpaste is said to bleach the oxidized plastic or the outer glass in the headlamps in a similar way it does on our teeth. Gel type toothpastes usually don't work. We need some grittiness for abrasive rubbing. If it feels too dry to rub, I spray some water to make it a little better. I usually rub for some 15 minutes and pay more attention to those parts that are rough and not smooth. At times I also repeat the process all over again to get better results. Use a dry cloth and blow dry the assembly completely to ensure that water droplets are not present anywhere in the assembly, both inside and out. Now with the headlamps, outer glass is relatively smooth and clear. I'm sure the results we see here are worth the simple and easy efforts that we have put in. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and share your comments.